Welcome back to the Wool Reef channel. Today we're showing you how to crochet this adorable Christmas tree ornament, the little horse, and we'll also show you how to turn it into a garland decorated with snowflakes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. To crochet the horse, you'll need a hook, scissors, yarn, and filler. Start by making 5 chains and crochet a row of single crochets. In the second row, begin with single crochet. Then an increase. And continue the row with single crochets. Next, crochet 2 rows of single crochets. You should end up with 2 identical legs. To join the legs, crochet the second leg with single crochets. Make an increase in the last stitch. And chain 6. Attach the next leg with an increase. And continue crocheting single crochets. Crochet the next 6 rounds with simple single crochets in each stitch. Start round 12 with a decrease. Then continue with single crochets to the end of the round. Round 13 begins with single crochets. And when you reach the last 2 stitches, make a decrease. The full horse pattern is available at the link below the video. There you will find the diagram, abbreviations and photos to make the process super simple. Now let's move on to assembling the garland. For the garland, we use the snowflakes from our previous tutorial. You should now see a pop-up on the screen linking to that video. To add some sparkle to the garland, we use glue and glitter. Just apply glue where you want the glitter to stick. Sprinkle glitter on and let it dry completely. Time to assemble the garland. We'll alternate large and small snowflakes and place the big ornaments in between. On our website, you can also find the pattern for this sparkling antler reindeer and the Christmas tree with beads. To make the garland look neat, we'll trim and even out the hand-in threads we'll use to attach each ornament. For the beginning and end of the garland, chain 70. Now attach the snowflake. The easiest way is to use the picot or the back loop. Between each ornament, make 25 chains. To add an ornament, simply pull the ornament's thread through with your hook, make a slip stitch through it, then grab the thread again and crochet it together with the garland strand. Continue like this until you reach the end. This is the festive garland we ended up with. A reminder that the tutorials for the horse, reindeer and tree are available on our website. The link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, share your result with the hashtag Wool Reef pattern and let us know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next. See ya in our next project.